Today we're making my homemade sorghum butter. This is such a delicious staple and a great alternative to honey butter. Let's go make it. Now, my inspiration behind this one, I love honey butter on dinner rolls. My husband does too, and so I wanted to do a sorghum version. Sorghum is something that I've had a few times in my childhood. My mom had a jar. I remember my grandma having molasses and sorghum, and I just love the smell of it. So I wanted to do an old world grain and bring it back and do a sorghum butter instead of the honey butter. This is great if you want to do something new or fun or have a little bit of a twist to your flavored butters. If you don't know what sorghum is, it's an old world grain and it tastes kind of like molasses. It's super delicious. It's rich. It's really common in more localized stores, so small town stores, or if there's a farm store near you, they might have sorghum. But if you can't find it in your local grocery stores, you can head online. There are tons. Just make sure it's natural and there's nothing else added besides the sorghum. Here in Middle Tennessee, our little grocery store has this old school brand of 100% sorghum, so that's what I use. You could also probably find this brand online if you do a quick Google search. Now let's make this recipe. It takes under 2 minutes. It's so easy. Let's go. To get started making our homemade sorghum butter, you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of softened butter. I like to use a salted grass-fed butter, but you can use any. Next, we'll add in 1.5 tablespoons of sorghum. It smells so yummy and just delicious. And finally, we'll add in 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. Now, once you have everything in the bowl, you're gonna grab a hand mixer. That's an electric one, or you could just use a regular whisk or even a fork. But we're just gonna mix this now on a medium speed until creamy and well combined. This will take 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on how soft your butter is. And just like that, you've made homemade sorghum butter. You could also call this whipped sorghum butter. Now, you can use this right away or store in an airtight container up to 2 weeks in the fridge. Now, let's give this a quick try. I'm using some sourdough wheat bread. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It's creamy. It's perfectly sweet. You can use the sorghum butter just like a honey butter. You can put it on biscuits. You can put it on homemade bread. You could do dinner rolls. You could even make some homemade turnovers and spread this over the top. My favorite is on dinner rolls, which I'll leave my sourdough dinner rolls and my sourdough biscuit recipe down in the description below. Definitely go check those ones out. They are so delicious. If you'd like to try another one of my simple butter recipes, I have a homemade garlic butter that takes 2 minutes. I'll leave it here or here. Definitely go check that one out as well. Until next time, go serve God by loving your family one recipe at a time.